Oh yes!
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a lounge underwear haul, and I'm super excited for this one because my boyfriend Tommy is going to be reacting to all of these outfits and pieces that I have chosen. So I just want to mention that lounge underwear are having a massive sale right now, and it will start on the 5th of August and run until stocks last. So you have to be quick right now because the sale has already started, and I will put the link down below. So they have sale on basically everything in this video. I will put how much discount there is on each item on the screen somewhere. Just be aware that my usual coupon code RebeccaEllie10 won't be working for this video because there is just a massive sale on everything right now. So you have to be quick. It is between 10 to 60% off all collections, which is amazing. You can save a lot of money on this sale, guys. And also they usually do gift wrapping, but that will be switched off during the sale. They won't be doing that, but yeah, that's just what I wanted to let you know. Let's continue. I also want to say thank you to Lounge Underwear for sponsoring this video. You probably know that I've been working with them for a while, and I love that Lounge Underwear is a sustainable brand and their packaging is 100% made from recycled plastic, which is absolutely great. This is from Lounge, but it's not a part of this haul, but I absolutely love it. It's like one of their like PJ sets that have matching trousers with it. I posted an Instagram in this set not too long ago. Let's hop into it. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna show you it, and then my boyfriend's gonna react to it afterwards, okay? So the first thing I have worn already. These are so soft, and these are a pair of like workout trousers, and they're so soft. They're in this lovely, like, what would you call this color? Mauve, lilac, deep sort of purpley color, and they're really nice, and it just says lounge, and obviously it comes with a matching top. I'll just let you know the sizes just so it will help you try and figure out what size you are. They also have a size guide on their website, which is super duper helpful and really accurate actually. So I got the top bra part, which just has like spaghetti straps. It feels really soft. It just says lounge on the front there. I got both top and bottom in a small in this one. And this set is the minimal crop top and leggings set. And it's in the color smoked blue. Blue? I wouldn't call this purple, but I don't know. Maybe I'm colorblind.
What up, YouTube? I'm joking. I don't know what to say. Ooh. Yeah, okay. I thought I was reacting to underwear or a bikini or something.
No.
Yeah.
These sell clothes as well.
Yeah, it's a nice colour. What would you call that? Lilac. Yeah, I like that one. I'm guessing it's workout gear, yeah?
Yeah.
This one is a 8.
An 8.
8 out of 10.
Okay, I'll take that. Next up, we have one of my favorite things that I think I've ever got from Lounge Underwear. It is so comfy and so pretty, and yeah, it's a set to die for. So this is the luxury rib top and bottom set in the color olive. It's this really beautiful green color. So at the top they have waistband, which just says lounge all around it. It's ribbed and it is super duper comfy. I got these in a size small. I'm so short, so the trousers are a bit long for me because I'm 5'2", so they do drag a little bit in the ground, but I will just be lounging around in these at home. So comfortable, and they also have tie strings that work, which is perfect, so you can adjust it to your waist. But these fit me really perfectly. The top I also got in a small. So beautiful. Like, I'm gonna wear this out. Like, I don't care if it's supposed to be a pajama top. I really love the color. I really like the square neck of it, and then it has lounge subtly at the bottom there. I'm just in love with this color, and it feels so soft.
Oh yeah.
Are we still recording?
Good. Now we're talking.
Yeah.
Your feet are coloured.
Yeah, I know, because I'm so short.
Your little short ass. I like that colour on you, so it's automatically going to get a higher mark.
I love this color as well.
That's got to feel comfortable.
It feels so comfy.
Yeah, that's good. I like that.
And it's sustainable.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's fitted in all the right places.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, cool. So far, all three have been really different. So
yeah.
That one gets an 8 as well. Maybe even an 8.5.
This one gets an 8.5.
8.5, 9.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's closer to a 9
Okay.
than an 8.
How come I didn't get a 9 then?
If it fit you indeed.
Yeah, in the leg.
But you are like on the shorter side.
I am on the shorter side. Yeah.
Alright, 9. It's
I
9.
like that.
It's 9. It's good 9. It's a strong 9.
So this next set I have to show you is a set of a really soft bralette with a pair of like beige cycle shorts. This is the Soft Chick ribbed set and it's in the colour oatmeal. Beige colour. The shorts almost look like boxer shorts and they're really cool. They've got just like stitching along the sides. And yeah, these are also ribbed and they have the waistband at the top which just like really flatters your waist and it just says lounge around it. The matching like bra looks like this and it's got adjustable straps which is super great, really great material, super stretchy as well. So I got the top in a small and I got the bottoms in a small also. Perfect for like lounging around in at home, even for doing like yoga and stuff like that. Now when it's summer for you guys back home in Europe, like winter here in Australia is still super hot. Like yeah, we were out hiking yesterday and we were sweating because the sun was just so hot.
Okay, this is a change of gear.
Yeah.
Just let me take the whole thing in. I like
It's a
it.
style.
I like it and I don't like it at the same time. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like,
It's kind of different.
yeah, I like it because it's different.
Next one.
Wait, hold on. We didn't
Oh yeah,
wrap
you
things
didn't
up.
rate it.
6.5. 6.5 or a 7, just because I've never seen anything like that before. But that's probably good.
Yeah,
A 7,
yeah,
7,
nice.
because it's a bit more individual.
Yeah, and keep that. Honest opinion. Next thing I have to show you, this is like a gift sent from heaven, I don't know. It is like cuddling a teddy bear. When you're wearing this, you're a living teddy bear walking around and it's so nice. I love it because it gives me more cuddles from my boyfriend when I wear this, that's for sure. So this is the Snuggle Up Faux Fur oversized hoodie and it really is oversized. I got it in an extra small but it still fits as super oversized, which is really nice. It's like, I wish you guys could feel this because it's the softest thing ever and it's got a hood and this has just been perfect for like late night shop runs and just like evenings here in the winter time. It is just so comfortable and this is in the colour walnut. They have a few other colours in this as well and what I love about it, oh that's the birds, I thought that was you. So I love that this one has a zip up as well and it has pockets and it's just got this little muff thing at the end, a muff thing for the arms and it's on the back it has lounge written on it which goes down to the arms, so I think that's super cute.
Cool colour match.
The jacket.
That is.
It's so soft. It's like the softest thing ever.
I'm gonna steal that.
Yeah.
Another one I'm gonna steal. Oh, you look like a
polar bear.
a green Eskimo.
It's actually a really nice colour combo.
Yeah,
I didn't think of that.
It's like 3 things at once. The 3 things that I'm thinking right now is like, you know, when like, it's like a bunny / polar bear. It's not real, is it?
No.
2, it's kind of Eskimo-y and it's like definitely gonna keep you warm.
Feeling.
But then it's also got an element of like, you know when the boxers come out, like with their hoods up, and they're like, you know, and they're like rocking up to the ring and they're like, is the one, the only, Brutal Becca! You know what I mean? It's like one of those things, yeah. And then you're like, okay, and like someone's massaging your shoulders.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's that kind of vibe. Alright, don't get too for yourself.
How many points did it get?
9.
9.
That's 9.
I love it. Thank you.
Yeah.
So next up, I have this really cute bikini to show, and this is a new release. I'll have the name and the price on the screen as always. This bikini is in the colour olive. It is so cute. It's got this little like detail on the back which is in rose gold and it's got like a wavy material going and these really thin lines. So that's how the bottoms look and the top just looks like this. I love the cupped style bra and then again it has a rose gold clasp in the middle where it just says lounge and then at the back it clips in another rose gold thing, and it's got adjustable straps again. Okay, and this is just a clippy thing, so you open it like that, really easy and secure. So I got this top in medium, and I got the bottoms in a small.
Whoa la la.
So I showed him the full-on bikini set before. Just like the olive colour. It goes with the trousers.
Yeah, I kind of like anything that's that colour. Like, that is definitely one thing that they're good at, is like the colour choice. It's never like, oh my god, that's ridiculous.
Yeah,
Why would you make clothes out of that? They're always pretty good. Even down to like, it's like a, I'm guessing it's not real rose gold, but it's like a rose gold colour. Probably on the same level, I think.
9.
9.
Yeah, I really like this colour. And then I got a absolutely gorgeous hot pink set. This is the Recycled Charmed Balcony set in hot pink. So it's got like floral detailing and it's lace, which is really cute. And then it's got a silver ring in the middle, very cute. And the back has these cutouts and silver detailing on the rings again. And then these are the matching bottoms. They have very thin straps, and it's got the matching like silver ring in the front. And the bottoms also have really pretty like lace detailing on them.
Ooh. Is it comfortable?
Yeah, it's really comfortable.
It's not bikini. It's a
No.
bra, right? I was gonna say. Well then, it's sexy. I like this little ring thing. That's been on something else that you have,
Yeah.
right? From Lounge. The design's really nice. It's really like when you think of the word lingerie, you think of something like this.
Yeah.
And I like lace as well.
Mm.
It'd be cool to see that on in other colours as well.
Yeah. They've got like greens and stuff like that.
Yeah, I like that one.
Mm-hmm.
That one's an 8.
An 8.
Mhm.
That's okay.
Like a straight up 8.
Okay. Thanks for participating.
You got it.
Okay, and that was everything I had to show you. So thank you so much for watching. I'll have everything linked down below if you want to buy something for yourself. And yeah, don't forget to follow my socials if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!